Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be using dip powders from Valkyrie Dips. We are in the middle of Disney Week here on my channel, and I'm so excited to use the Princess Collection from Valkyrie Dips. Now these 5 colors here are cram-packed full of vibrant pigment, and then they have foils in them, and these are just overall really beautiful dips, and you're going to see all 5 colors in action. We are making a set of press-ons, and we're also going to be using dip liquids today. So right now I'm applying that dip base to the entire nail, and then I accidentally dropped the nail into that dip powder, but it all worked out in the end. It dropped right into the powder and there was no imperfections or anything like that when it went into that powder, so it all worked out. But see how many gorgeous foils I picked up with that one dip, and then you can see that really pretty green color as well. And I just love how the names of these dip powders are all the Disney princesses, and they're just really coordinate with their name so well. And these colors are perfect for right now. They're that perfect bright pop of color, and then they have the foils in there. So each dip is going to be very unique depending on how many foils you pick up or how many foils you hand place. So that's another reason why these dips are really fun and beautiful. This Princess Collection is sold as a set, or you can get it individually, and the set is sold in sample sizes or 0.25 ounce jars, so that's super awesome. And you can get all 5 of these dip powders in sample size for $14. So that's a really great deal for 5 dips, and the sample size for $14. You cannot go wrong with that. And I do have a discount code as well. I'll link everything in that description box of the video with everything that we're using in today's mani. But these dip powders are super awesome, and I'm already completely in love with them and kind of coming up with other ways I can use these dip powders because they're just so fun and they're perfect for that summer season. All right, so enough chit chat. Let's dive into this mani process, and then I'll pop back in at the end. All right, and how fun is this mani? I think it's super pretty, and I just love how it has that Disney twist to it with the princess names in these dips, and the colors coordinate so well together. Cinderella, this blue right here is the perfect Cinderella blue. And then that silver, it just melts my heart right now, and I'm totally in love with this collection so much. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's video in that description box below. Don't forget to check out Valkyrie Dips. If these colors were not your cup of tea, there are tons of beautiful dips on the website, and you'll definitely find something that catches your eye. So I hope you enjoyed this mani. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I also do have a giveaway on my channel. You still have one more day to enter, and I will see you in the next upload.